But look what I did here. I took a sample, just creating that blue circle is the result of doing what's called
What point does a horizontal?
3 points,
Start to bend.
3 coplanar points
The whole way, all the time.
in 3D
Constantly.
would describe a circle. So I selected
I
one
have
of my
scientific
beginning
consensus
points,
on my
one in
side.
the middle,
I don't
and one
have
at the
burden
end.
of
I'm making
proof.
sure that I didn't pick one of the humps. I wanted to make sure I was picking, the points on the level spans.
Right. The lower deck, as I call
I
it.
don't care about that.
And bam, there's the radius of the Earth from that. And I did 2 of them. I didn't even do a bunch. I did a couple of them. And then I looked up a calculator
plane level
that gives you the radius by latitude, and we're right about at 30 here. The south end of the bridge is at 30.
You do it
The
for
north
all
end is
the
at
women.
30.
You do it for
20
all the men.
minutes.
Equal
I just went with
opportunity,
30.
fucking vile
And-
cunt.
So let me pause you here and just
Sure.
make sure that everybody in the chat or anybody that's listening right now that may have started reading the chat and not really paying attention, pay attention here. Okay.
He was doing the Bislin hump.
This was
Jesse has measured.
No. Right, you go to the nearest beach,
Measured
to the
radius.
where the water
That's what
is.
Jesse
If you were
did.
to measure from there to the center of the earth,
There is no presupposing R anymore. Okay.
No, we have R.
It has been directly measured by Jesse Kozlowski.
To a tangent, to a horizontal.
And bam, there's the radius of the Earth. And bam, there's the radius of the Earth.
R is no longer presupposed.
And bam, there's the radius of the Earth. It's actually
was.
it's monumented.
Exactly.
It is a concrete monument, 20 some miles long. So and bam, there's the radius of the
You
Earth.
live on a spherical Earth. Many tens of thousands of people.
I think a
have
triangle is
measured the
defined by
curvature.
3 lines that intersect at one point each.
because the earth
That's
is
simple
a
enough.
ball.
Circles can look straight.
How can a straight line form a circle?
So I would bet you both my testicles the earth is above.
Definitions are meaningless.
You muppet.
Jim, at what distance between 2 points can you falsify the law of hydrostatic equilibrium?
I have absolutely no idea what that
The
means.
level that you think curves.
I died once.
You muppet.
It's a model level.
Which type of surveyor would use an auto level?
There are
3 angles,
each
Yeah.
which is 180 degrees. What's 3 times
Because it establishes a horizontal plane of reference, right?
It establishes a horizontal plane that you make measurements from, and then you make curvature corrections as you need to. But why would you want them
Curvature corrections within the horizontal plane.
to? But why would you want them to? Curvature corrections to your measurements after the fact. But why would you want them to?
You make curvature corrections to your measurements.
But why would you want them to? Yes.
You not just sort of measure what you measure when you look through the scope.
But why would you want them to? You measure what you measure, you write that down, and then you apply corrections as necessary.
Okay, so when is it necessary for you to apply corrections? Because I've never heard of that. You know, Jesse said the other day, right, that the water level is measurably, it drops away from horizontal. Right?
Yes.
Okay, so surveyors can establish a horizontal, right?
But why would you want them to?